Watching this video you will learn how AI could help translate your videos into multiple languages with your own voice in a minute, like this.
Hi everyone, Kevin here. Today we're going to look at the ultimate PDF editing app, Wondershare's PDF Elements 10. Hola a todos, Kevin aquí. Hoy vamos a analizar la aplicación definitiva de edición de PDF Elements 10 de Wondershare. Hi सभी, केविन यहाँ। आज हम Wondershare के PDF Elements 10 को देखेंगे, जो अंतिम PDF संपादन ऐप है।
Introducing the latest feature in Wondershare Virbo Video Translator. Hi, I'm Emily, an AI avatar from Wondershare Virbo. Most video translations refer only to subtitle changes, leaving the audio and lip syncing untouched. Now with Virbo's AI Video Translator, you can easily translate video to any language with high efficiency and accuracy. This could blow your mind. Now, let's get the magic started. Before we start, we'll need to create a user account on the Wondershare Virbo website. For each new account, we offer 2 minutes of free export credits. Besides the online version, you can also access Video Translator on PC and mobile versions of Wondershare Virbo. With the new Virbo Video Translator, you can translate your videos into any language you want. Upload any MP4 or MOV video file and you can translate it into any language. Besides, the translated video will be perfectly lip-synced and sound authentic. By toggling on lip-sync and subtitle, you will get a perfectly translated video with a cloned voice. We even provide a proofreading option for video script and translated subtitles. Toggle on the Proofread video script, and you will get bilingual video scripts to proofread after the translation is done. This could make sure you get the exact subtitles and voiceover that you want. Once the translation is processed, download your video, and it's good to go. Is this the only thing Virbo can do? No, not really. There's actually more, and we'd be covering them in future tutorials. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are alerted anytime we make a new post. See you at the next one.